Hello my lovelies, so I just want to welcome you back to my channel. This is Fashion Geek Couture, where we talk about any and everything. If you are a recent subscriber, hello again. If you're not, hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you have any other questions or you want me to cover any other topics, just feel free to email me at Fashion Geek Couture or leave your comments underneath this video. And alright, previously I posted a D9 video on how you should approach Greeks. So if you follow me on Instagram at Fashion Geek Couture, I posted on my stories that if you have any other questions pertaining to the D9 video that you wanted me to cover, then feel free to do so. So I actually received a few emails on that video, and they just wanted me to address the questions that they had, and I am glad to cover and answer your questions. So in this email, my first email, it says, I saw your request for questions on Instagram, D9 Greek Life. I was wondering if you have any advice for people interested in joining a sorority but who are quite shy. I know attending events and getting to know the chapter members is very important, but that can be difficult for people who are on more of the reserved side of things. Alright, so I just want to acknowledge that if you guys, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people that's pretty shy out there and that's interested in joining a sorority or fraternity, but just in general, if you are shy, don't feel forced or don't feel like you have to approach them and have like a full out conversation. Just a simple hi, just have just say something and acknowledge them in the room once you walk into the event. Just say hi, how are you? Just keep that going, and once they continue to see you, they will remember you, and they'll probably keep you in mind when it comes a time where the membership intake is going on. So yeah, just start off with a simple hi, ask how they're doing. That's it. Keep it going. Just continue to attend the events like I've stated before. But if you feel like you are overlooked because you're shy, that's not the thing at all, because we have members that are still shy within the sorority too. Like with me, I didn't say much, but I did a lot of things too. It's just really good. Honestly, it's really good to just kind of be quiet and just observe things before you really interact with someone. So I understand completely. But yeah, so don't feel like you're overlooked. The members of the sorority recognize your presence. So I would just say actions speak louder than words. Just think about what you can offer to the sorority. Like, are you a diligent worker? Are you part of any other organizations that you are active in? Yeah, it's mainly what you do. Whenever the time comes, whenever it is time to write your letter of interest, just put all of that in your letter of interest. Say what you do, how you're a hard worker, what separates you from other people in general, what makes you unique, your morals, it's who you are, your religion, just who you are, you know. Yeah, it's what you do. And if they see that you are consistent with coming to events, you're already in their mind because you're a regular face that they recognize. Okay, so my next question, it says, I know there is an interview a part of the process. So during the interview, if I am asked why I chose to join that sorority, should I mention that I'm a legacy and just want to carry out the sisterhood? I would say yes and no. Like, okay, so what I mean by that, you can mention that you're a legacy, but that's not the reason why you want to join. You can mention that you are a legacy, but just do not make that your main focus, because that's not really impressive to a lot of my sorors, you know. So I mean, it is impressive, but at the same time, if you just dwell or you just talk about that and that only thing for your primary answer, then they're gonna look at you like, okay, you're just doing this because, you know, you're a legacy, and what else do you have to offer? Just mainly you can mention it, but make sure that you mention, like, why do you personally want to join? Like, it's because of the sisterhood, your morals match with the sorority's morals, or you want a stronger bond with with your potential line sisters, or like just expand your answer and kind of get away from the legacy part. Because how most sorors look at that, they may think that you feel entitled to be a part of the sorority because your mom or your grandma was one or is one. So yeah, just be careful with that one. Just expand your answer. Just expand your answer and do not just focus on one thing. Have multiple reasons why you chose that particular sorority. All right, and my last question. So it says, is it okay if I wore pink and green colors to the rush or the interview? I would say do not wear pink and green colors. Honestly, it's just up to you. It's an outfit. But me personally, just stay away from pink and green colors because you're not a part of the sorority. I know those are just general colors. Those are our main colors. And yes, anybody could wear pink and green colors if they wanted to. But if you're going to this event or this interview, just stick to neutral colors. It's just like a job interview. So like what I have on, I just came from a meeting. So like I have a white shirt, a white button up, and pink pants. I'm not sure if you can see. Got on pink pants and nude shoes. So just, I mean, if you want to wear pink, knock it out. I mean, just make sure you rock it. But yeah, I would just stick with neutral colors because they're gonna feel like, okay, you're kind of trying too hard, and you're gonna make it obvious that you want to do this. You want to use discretion. Like, that's a part of discretion too. Watch what colors you wear. If the campus knows that there's a rush or interview going on, they're gonna automatically know, okay, she's going to this. I already know what she's doing. Just stick to neutral colors. Yeah. But those were all of the questions that I've received, and yeah. So I would actually reply back to you guys like by email, expanding on some extra things as well. But thank you guys for providing those questions for me that I can answer, and I hope I helped you guys. I really did. But yeah, so in my next video, I'm not sure what I'm going to post, but you will see me sometime next week. Yes. So I want to thank you guys for joining in, tuning in into my channel. I appreciate it, and I appreciate all new eyes and viewers and all of my loyal Fashion Geek Couture subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.